Albert Einstein once suggested that the Rule of 72 was an even more significant discovery than his own theory of relativity. This principle can be traced back to Luca Pacioli, often referred to as the father of accounting. In his 1494 book, Summary of Arithmetic, Geometry, Proportions, and Proportionality, Summa de Arithmetica, Geometria, Proportioni et Proporzionalità, Pacioli emphasized the significance of this financial rule. The idea of doubling one's money in just a few years is a dream many people share. How often have you wished to wake up and find a six-figure balance in your bank account? The good news is that this is not just a fantasy, it's achievable. In today's Practical Wisdom video, we'll explore the Rule of 72. Stay tuned and get ready to learn. Also, be sure to download my free passive income guide through the link in the description. Number 1. The Rule of 72. The Rule of 72 is a valuable tool in financial planning, investment analysis, and debt management. It helps estimate the time required for an investment to double at a fixed interest rate. The calculation is straightforward. Simply divide 72 by the expected rate of return. For example, if you anticipate earning 5% interest, divide 72 by 5, which equals 14.4 years. That's how long it will take for your investment to double. This rule offers several benefits. It allows you to quickly assess whether your financial growth aligns with market trends and helps ensure you're making the right financial choices. Additionally, it can be used to estimate inflation, showing how long it will take for the purchasing power of money to be cut in half. However, the Rule of 72 does have limitations. It only applies to investments with annual compound interest and is less accurate for interest rates below 6% or above 10%. Despite these drawbacks, the rule remains a powerful financial tool. For a deeper understanding, consider consulting a financial advisor who can guide you through its practical applications. Number 2. Compound interest. Since the Rule of 72 works specifically with compound interest, understanding this concept is key to financial growth. The magic of compound interest lies in its ability to generate earnings on both the initial investment and the accumulated interest over time. The longer your money stays invested, the greater the returns. In simple terms, you invest your money, let it grow, and watch it multiply. If you want to determine how long it will take to double your savings, the Rule of 72 can help. For instance, with a 6% interest rate, dividing 72 by 6 gives you 12 years. That's the time required to double your investment. When considering compound interest opportunities, aim for higher interest rates as they accelerate wealth accumulation. Speak with a financial advisor to identify the best options and use the Rule of 72 to plan your financial future effectively. Number 3. Investments. The Rule of 72 is an excellent tool for assessing investments. At some point in life, most people aim to invest their money, and this rule provides a simple way to estimate how long it will take for an investment to double. If you're considering making an investment, this calculation helps predict when you can expect a full 100% return. No matter the type of investment, stocks, bonds, or mutual funds, the Rule of 72 is useful, provided the investment compounds over time. To better understand how this works, let's look at a few examples. Investment number 1, a savings deposit earning a 1% annual return. Investment number 2, government bonds yielding a 5% annual return. Investment number 3, mutual funds generating an 8% annual return. Investment number 4, stocks offering a 12% annual return. Now, using the Rule of 72, try calculating how long it will take for these investments to double. Share your answers in the comments and look for any patterns that emerge. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to like it, it really helps. Number 4. Inflation rate. You may have heard discussions about inflation in the news, but what does it really mean? Inflation refers to the rate at which prices rise over time, affecting everyday goods and services. Simply put, what you could buy for a certain price last year now costs more. The Rule of 72 helps determine how long it will take for prices to double due to inflation. For example, if inflation averages 3% annually, dividing 72 by 3 gives 24 years, meaning prices will double in that time. However, if inflation is at 6.8%, dividing 72 by 6.8 gives about 10.6 years. This means that within just a decade, the cost of living could rise dramatically. By using this rule, you can make better financial decisions to ensure you stay ahead of inflation and protect your wealth. Number 5. Savings. The rule of 72 is also useful when planning your savings, allowing you to estimate when your money will double. But where do you keep your savings? Storing cash at home is risky and offers no growth. Investing in stocks provides higher potential returns, but also comes with risk. Many people opt for a traditional savings account, but with most banks offering only around 1% interest, this isn't the most effective way to grow your wealth. Let's run some numbers. If you deposit $1,000 in a bank account earning 1% interest annually, dividing 72 by 1 shows that it will take 72 years for your money to double. Realistically, you won't be around in 72 years just to see a $1,000 profit. Fortunately, there are investment options offering much better returns, typically between 4% and 7% per year. Now, let's consider an alternative. If you invest the same $1,000 in an account that guarantees a 5% annual return, dividing 72 by 5 gives 14.4 years, a much shorter wait time for your investment to double. Some financial products offer even better rates, so speaking with a financial advisor can help you find the best option. When it comes to securing your financial future, the Rule of 72 is an invaluable tool for retirement planning. Many people underestimate how much money they will need in retirement, and failing to plan properly can lead to financial struggles later in life. By understanding how long it takes for your savings to double, you can set realistic goals and make smarter financial decisions to ensure a comfortable retirement. Let's say you start saving at age 30 with an initial investment of $10,000. If your investments grow at an annual return of 6%, dividing 72 by 6 gives you 12 years, meaning your money will double every 12 years. By age 42, your $10,000 turns into $20,000. By 54, it grows to $40,000. By 66, you'll have $80,000. Now imagine if you had started saving earlier or contributed more. It could significantly impact your retirement wealth. But here's the catch. Waiting too long to start investing can drastically reduce your growth potential. If you delay investing until you're 45, your money will have less time to compound before retirement. The sooner you start, the more you can take advantage of compound growth. In addition to personal savings, the Rule of 72 can also help you evaluate different retirement accounts, such as 401k plans, IRAs, or index funds. Look for options with higher compound interest rates and consistent long-term growth. Consulting a financial advisor can help you choose the best strategy for your retirement goals. The key lesson here? Start early and stay consistent. The longer your money stays invested, the greater your retirement fund will be. Use the Rule of 72 as a guide to ensure you're on the right path toward financial security in your golden years. Let me know in the comments, at what age do you plan to retire, and how are you preparing for it? If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more financial wisdom. See you in the next one. Ultimately, the Rule of 72 is a simple yet powerful calculation that can help you estimate how long it will take to grow your savings, combat inflation, and achieve your financial goals. The key takeaway? Patience is essential. But by starting now, you can reach financial freedom much sooner. I hope this video has provided valuable insights. Let me know in the comments how you plan to use the Rule of 72. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.